Hello everyone, today we are here with Luisa's story. Okay, let's begin the story. We all have hobbies. Some like sports, some like reading, and some like collecting various things. Let us read a story about a girl named Luisa who liked writing stories and plays. Students, please listen it carefully, then you will understand it. Let's begin with story. Once upon a time, there were 4 little girls who lived in a big house in countryside. Countryside means rural area or any village. The house was very old and creepers grew on its wall. Creeper means plants that grow along walls. The girls had a wise father who told them lovely stories. He also taught them their lessons in such a beautiful way that it was better than a play. Play means any drama act. Their mother was a merry, kind woman who helped them work and play. Merry means happy, and them here mentioned in two girls. Okay. The girls had all the great green country to play. Great green country means fields. There were dark shadow woods, green meadows, vast field of wheat and barley, and a bubbling stream. Okay. Woods mean forests, meadows mean grasslands, and stream means narrow river that glittered like diamond in the afternoon sun. They also had a big barn. Barn means a farm or a building for storing grains. One of the little girls was named Luisa. She was very pretty. She was also very strong. She could run for miles through the woods and not get tired. Luisa had a remarkable brain in her little head. It liked to study. It also thought interesting all day long. Luisa had a small diary. Sometimes she would sit in a corner by herself and note down her thoughts in it. She liked to make up stories of her own and write poems too. The girls would wake up early in the morning, make their beds and sit down to study. Here make is mentioned as sat, like sat their beds. When they had finished their lessons, they would help their mother set the table for breakfast. After that, they would go to the big barn. As I previously told you, barn means farm building for storing grains. Okay. They would go to the big barn to play. Their favorite game was pretend play. Pretend means just to act. The girls loved acting more than anything. They had made the barn into a theatre and invited the grown-ups to come watch the play they acted in. It was great fun. One of their favorite play was Jack and Beanstalk. They had a ladder that went from the floor to the loft. Loft means a room or space under the roof of a house. On the ladder they tied a squash vine all the way up to the loft to look like the wonderful beanstalk. Squash means a type of vegetable and vine means creeper. One of the little girls dressed up to look like Jack. When it comes to the part in the story where the saint tried to follow Jack, the little girl cut down the beanstalk and the saint came tumbling down from the loft. Here saint means a thing which is made of huge pillows. Like you are seeing square cross in the fields, Same huge pillows it is made of. Okay. The giant was made out of huge pillows. Understood? Another story they loved to perform was Cinderella. They made a pumpkin carriage out of wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow means small cart with single wheel in front. Cinderella rolled away in it, right down the aisle. When the fairy grandmother waved her wand. Wand means a long stick used to perform magic. Louisa loved all these plays. She made some of her own and wrote them down so that the four of them could act in them. Louisa liked writing stories best. She continued to write stories and wanted to get them published. But she was unable to do so. People even told her that she was wasting her time. But Louisa never stopped writing. At last, one day a publisher asked Louisa, who had now grown into a woman, to write a book for girls. Publisher means person that prepares and issues books. When she thought about what to put in the book, she remembered the good time she used to have with her family. She wrote about her dear mother and her wise father. She also wrote about little sisters. She wrote about jolly time and the plays, and also about sad and hard times. When the book was written, she called it Little Woman. The book made Louisa famous. It was so sweet and funny, so sad and real, that everybody wanted to read it. Everybody bought it, and much money came from it. Louisa wrote many beautiful books. She became a well-known writer. That's the story of Louisa May Alcott, the famous American author who made a living out of her hobby. Made a living means earn money doing a job. The end. Hope you understand story. So please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. You will get video time to time. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.